What's up everyone, welcome back to 4 Adventures. It's Hong once again, and I know it's been a while since my last video, but life's been quite busy. But today, some downtime, and with the weather actually cooperating, it is 16 degrees out in December right now. It should be like, I don't know, 0 to -10 or something like that, but it's 16 degrees. So I'm gonna take advantage of this weather and quickly knock out a video of my storage setup currently. As most of you know, it's been a while. I've been working on this setup for maybe a year now, year and a half, just, you know, trying to find time. Just gonna give everyone an update of how everything works, but I do have a few more things to build, like a side cubby on that side somewhere, so and a couple more platforms to actually carpet it and put together, but that's probably in the future, maybe in a month or so. But yeah, this video just wanted to show everyone how everything works. So without further ado, let's begin with the slider unit where my actual domestic fridge sits on, which is the top portion right here. I have it inside. I just didn't want to bring out the fridge just for a few minutes. But in order for this to slide out, there are 2 blue tabs at the bottom right here, or 2 latches. All you do is just push down on it and pull. Just pull it out, and then it locks in place. Well, it should lock in place. There we go. Like that, it is locked. And then yeah, the fridge just sits on top. I have access, you know, opening it up and all that. So like that. And then the second slider is just right here. You can pull it out with your finger. You know, it's not really fully locked in, but it doesn't move out back and forth when I'm driving and all that, so it's okay. So yeah, this is where I plan on putting just small things, utensils, plates, and whatnot. And the only thing I just got to worry about is the noise, so I have to put some kind of dampening material in here, and so it just sits in place while I drive. But other than that, it's like that. It works. It's locked in. It's kind of like there's a spring in there that holds it, so it doesn't really slide out unless there's like a lot of force. So like that. And to close it, again, just have to push down the blue tabs, and then these, and then the slider just moves in, and then it locks in place, and like that. It's just locked. On the sides here are my 2 cubbies that I kind of showed in my last video that were unpainted, but now they are all done, all bedline black, and these are actually held in by magnets. So I have 4 magnets on each corner, on the bottom corner. So you can see it's, you know, it sits in there. It's secure. Just a little pull, and then the whole thing comes out. So if I'm not using it, I can just store it and whatnot. But yeah, like I mentioned, there are 4 magnets on each side, which I have screwed into the wood here. You can see it, it's somewhere back there. Originally I hot glue these magnets to the bottom, but it won't stay, so every time I pulled it out, you know, the magnet was stuck onto the 4 metal plates at the bottom on each corner. So yeah, I had to screw them in. There's 4, you know, nuts, which, you know, it's not that nice, but hey, it works for now. The only way I could figure out how to secure the magnets. But yes, that's how this works. And then, you know, the other cubby's the same thing, same setup. And then just throw this here, and then I still have access to my cubby down here. Just all to do is just push down on this cover, and I have access to this storage unit down here, which I, you know, as you can see, some gloves, some bungee cords and all that. So I still have access to this storage unit, and then all I do, if I'm not using it, just cover it like that, and that's it. So this is the same. Just have to do a little pull, and then this whole thing comes out, and that's how this works. So again, 4 little metal plates to hold the magnets, or to where the magnets sit on. And that's pretty much it. Let's just sits in like that. And it's secure. That. And then this one again. That, and it's in, secured. Let me just show you like this. Show. But yeah, that's it for the cubbies. So the only thing left I have to do is just build a cubby right here to maximize the space. Yeah, all you Jeep owners know that there's not much space in the Jeep, so I'm gonna maximize this and build a storage unit here. And then there's a cover that goes on top of this, which I'm waiting for a carpet like this to arrive, and then I can have it done. Other than that, that is pretty much it. The only things I have to do left. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for the walkthrough, guys. Pretty simple, nothing too fancy. It works for me for now. Hopefully this summer I get out, or springtime, summertime, hopefully get out and just actually use this. Yeah. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys found it any way useful, enjoyed it, please hit a like, subscribe, helps the channel. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I hopefully get those that last cubby complete and the cover, and we can be done with all this. So, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully not too far from now. But yeah. Well, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.